Tirarirani tum, tirarirani tum, tararirarara, tirarirana. Again, my fight with Hum TV and any other channel, जो कि you know copyright strike देता है. But मैं क्या करूँ? गाना इतना brilliant है and drama इतना, there is no adjective, like हद से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत and needed and impactful and excellent drama, excellent project by Kashf Foundation. So मैं क्या करूँ? मैं तैयार हूँ, you know, जंग लड़ने के लिए. मैं तैयार हूँ and I will take some precautions. I don't know. चलो देखते हैं. It's truly needed. It's beyond the words. चटक तकी तुम. My problem is with lyrics. कोई समझा दे please. तेरा ही आने वाला कल. I think this is not Roshana, it's Dafa. Ukasha Gul. Of course, Sami Sir's choices. Of course. I think this is a learning session instead of a reaction. And that melts my heart. And exactly that note made me see the drama. Made me see कि क्या है. And it's beyond imagination, I swear. ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? इसको उतार दे. ओए अम्मा. नहीं, I should not be joking. It's such a serious drama. It's not your saas bahu, your pyar, you know, toxic pyar. I've had enough. It's not your, where were your self-respect, honey? It's not that at all. Alcohol, आना जाना, आवारागर्दी, पता नहीं. I feel so sad कि इतने प्यारे dramas, despite the popularity, वो underrated ही रह जाता. But you know, this number game is not for the long run. So I'm quite hopeful. And it will reach hearts and real minds. And it will create change. Just like Tanman Nilo Nilan, Manjogi and Zard Patto Ka Band, the unforgettable. Yeah. And I can name so many brilliant projects. And you guys can name, you know, so many others. Just like Kareeb se, Rakeeb se. मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा. And बहुत सारे. A must watch, you know. मैं चुप नहीं रह सकती भाई इसके बारे में. You know, I'm watching it और पकीज़ा and has my whole heart. And you can feel the excitement. You can feel I'm over, but believe me, it's worth it. और जो लोग बात कर रहे हैं about moving past, future, present, it's so needed. It's a brilliant type of storytelling, the non-linear way, and it's like, I don't know यार, आजकल लोगों को क्या हुआ? Seriously, this is my question. Like, okay, you like Danish Timur, you like Patani Kaun, you like Hania Amer. These are entertainment, okay, pure entertainment. They can give amazing scenes too, okay? But this is a whole package with a message, with a story, with a strength, and with so much research, you know, like Roshania and the team. This is Kashif Nisar. Like, I'm not an actress, but if it's Kashif Nisar or Saifi Hassan, so I will be an actress. So, yeah, truly admirable, adorable. Though okay, बहुत heartbreaking है. And I can only think of the real life survivors. मतलब, this is so tough. We hope I wish कि societies gets more tolerant and feel for people and ignore mistakes, क्योंकि अल्लाह हमें माफ कर देता है, so हम कौन होते हैं? It shows all the struggles, like it makes you feel within Pakiza or within Namir's character, Faraz. And even the supporting cast is brilliant. What can I say? Yeah. This is the caliber, guys. This is the caliber. Dil na umeed to nahi. Pyar ke sadke even. Ranja kar di, Chalo. Ya Allah, please, Hum TV, please. Oh, this is Geo. Please, Geo, please be more tolerant. Okay? Please. Because I'm just sharing my utter sheer admiration of the project. I know the OST. और स्टिल ये मेरे लिए चीटिंग है क्योंकि मैंने सुना गाना. क्या करूं? We're delving. Okay.
उच्चना हसी तो चजिके बमी तो तेरे नैन डूंगे दे बंदना चगी तू
पहले डूब गए मेरा लक सी मुंजी जा पई मेरी अख सी ए जो वेले सिर मी नहीं पैंदा ए बदलां दे नाल मेरा कट सी ए बदलां दे नाल मेरा कट मैं कल्ली निमाणी की पई उजाड़ा कोई कांड देवे मन बैण दे बाबा साथे लैण दे वीरा अज तू सुन मैनू कहण दे अम्मा साथे लैण दे.
मुझे ना वो आतिशबाजी बड़ी अच्छी लगती है.
हक के मेहर 5,000 रुपए आपके निकाह में दी जाती है.
पापी पिंडा तकी तू उच्चा न तकी तू होती पग है तेरे सिर ते ओ ना सटी तू
की संभाला जी तो हथ ने मैं एक कली ते ओ सत ने मैं ते हिलदी नहीं आटा गुनदी क्यों सारे पिंड दे मथे ते वट ने सारे पिंड दे मथे ते वट ने सारे छंड ले भावे वंड ले हो बड़ी हो गई हुण रहण दे बाबा साथे लैण दे वीरा अज तू सुन मैनू कहण दे अम्मा साथे
पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है जो कुछ भी हुआ वो एक ख्वाब था.
साथे लैण दे.
बहुत शोर था. नो. देखिए एक और पाकीज़ा. या अल्लाह, सच में आई मीन इट. देखिए एक और पाकीज़ा. देखिए प्लीज. It's wow. It's simply wow. So powerful कि even though कि मुझे पूरी चीज समझ नहीं आ रही, I feel it like crazy. Even more than a Hindi or Urdu clear song. Ya Allah. And like in my written review, I've almost summarized सब कुछ. How can a song be so well balanced? मतलब एक तो पेन भी है और जॉय भी है और लाइक काइंड ऑफ अदाएं एंड चुलबुली बुलबुली वाइब थ्रू दैट एड वाली आवाज. नी मैं कल्ली हो जाना नहीं पता नहीं, you know, it's I was like please एक मिनट दे दे मुझे absorb करने दे कि क्या है, what is this gem.
सारे छंड ले भावे वंड ले बड़ी हो गई.
Then like within a second, Ukasha Gul, where were you? This is brilliant. Within a second you move to the depth, to the dard of the characters, and what is going on such mein.
रहने दे बाबा.
And I'm not ready. I'm never ready for I'm never ready for that. It always kills me. It always make me melt. Like this is like such a nice composition, such a nice tune. Opening के बारे में, you see there is a clap also. Now it's with you know, the beginning of the song is so tricky, and I remember I couldn't figure out हम किस तरफ जा रहे हैं. एक तो the biggest social, you know, like a serious panel thing, and then with a clap, like, you know, you get me. It's kind of zard patton ka ban, kind of हंसने वाला माहौल and positive, but फिर and I think the क्या कहते हैं उसको वैसे मौसीकी की दुनिया में, that descending is gives a hint कि हम we are going bitter. And this is tricky. You don't know the song from the very first glimpse. At the same time, you are hooked. The sounds are just attractive. It's not your usual matlab guitar, violin, just typical opening, you know. कैसे समझाऊं? This is also happening with the Zard Patton Ka Ban. There is some magic. मतलब ये लोग साथ में तब तक काम नहीं करते जब तक OST, storyline, direction सब कुछ top notch नहीं होता. How नजर ना लगे. How this scene is so breathtaking. देखें, please देखें. Add it to the list. अगर अब नहीं देख सकते तो बाद में देख सकते. A must watch. मतलब beyond words. And yes, the vocal type. क्या है ये? Ni papi. There is also ni papi. You know, the type of vocal textures and the composition, मतलब दोनों पताका. You know, it's funny, but it's also deep. अजीब है यार, अजीब बात है. Also this tone, अगर हम summarize करें तो the most hitting moments मेरे लिए musically and मैं तो musically affect हो जाती हूँ. There's and these two are killers. Please tell me the language. There is a you know, like it's a bit festive beginning में. It's not beginning में. It's, you know, कभी ये तो कभी वो, कभी ये तो कभी वो, like balance, perfect balance. Like this is Pakiza. She was this lively, चमकीली लड़की जो एक तो पढ़ी लिखी. She loves life. She हंसना जानती है, बोलना जानती है. She loves to smile and laugh, you know, खुल के. And she loves life. But then जो उनके साथ होता है, the OST, perfect picturization.
बदला दे नाल मेरा खड़ी मैं कल्ली निमाणी की पई उजाड़ा.
telling her family to get her, understand her, believe in her. So you get that from the song as a general idea.
दे बाबा साथ लेण दे वीरा अज तू सुन मैनू कहण दे अम्मा
This is clear. आज तू सुन मैनू कहने दे, मतलब please let me speak, please let me express. Even the rhythm,
अम्मा साथ लेण दे
बहुत attractive.
मुझे ना वो आतिशबाजी बड़ी अच्छी लगती है.
And this, I think the instrument is Turkish. क्या है? बहुत प्यारा, बहुत प्यारा. हद
हक
से
के
ज्यादा.
5,000 रुपए आपके निकाह में दी जाती है.
सच में. There's no lie at all. Look at that. Now it's not funny. Ni papi. Like you're into the deep mood. Okay.
पापी पिंडा तकी तू पुच्छा ना तकी तू होती पग है तेरे सिर ते ओ ना सटी तू
क्यों सारे पिंड दे मथे ते वट ने सारे पिंड दे बड़ी हो गई
Like the way she articulates and modulates her voice. I mean, wow. The addition, you know, she resorts to husky voice when it's needed. तो कभी airy. हाँ गई यार, बहुत प्यार.
दे मथे ते वट ने सारे पिंड
And look at that. There is a kind of hussy.
दी क्यों सारे पिंड दे मथे ते वट ने
Okay, this reminds me of Pakiza's scenes where she, you know, she explodes, but in laughter, and she's not well at all. कि उनके भाई के बारे में बात कर रही है, and वो मार सकते थे लेकिन बेवकूफ निकले, पता नहीं बेगैरत निकले, and she just laughs like, which is in psychology a huge sign कि someone is not okay. इतना not okay है कि हंसता रहता है बस. So this is maybe the flavor of that in the OST. And sarcasm. She uses sarcasm a lot also, at so many points. So no spoilers. Oh, okay. Now the OST is giving me spoilers. वो वापस college जाएंगे, I think so. Oh, and she will meet her brother, Asghar.
साथे ले
पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है जो कुछ भी हुआ वो एक ख्वाब था.
साथे ले
और ठीक उस डायलॉग के बाद such an exhausting, bitter scene. Okay. Okay. You have to see it. It's basically when she loses all her fear, and because there's nothing to lose up. Singing के बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूं. Like she nailed it. What's going on? इतने variations तो sometimes कुछ लोग एक पूरे एल्बम में नहीं ला पाते. I'm so in love, and I need this without dialogues. Please. It's tricky also. You can lose the scale thing, the pitch thing. You know, अगर आप फोकस नहीं है और बहुत सारे रिहर्सल्स के बाद आप नहीं गाते, you will lose the track. एक दूसरे पिच में चले जाएंगे, बेसुरे. You know, basically you will become बेसुरे. Just like this, just like, you know, Seher got a bit, but I love her voice. It's so cute.
क्या कहूँ, अभी मैंने चौथी एपिसोड देखी है एक और पाकीज़ा की, और जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो ऑब्वियसली दिल बहुत ख़राब होता था. कुछ सीन्स ऐसे थे और लाइक
Sure.
एवरी सीन, लेकिन एपिसोड देखने के बाद भी बट आई लव यू गाइज. आप लोग
It's tough,
इतनी
यार.
सेंसिटिविटी से प्रोजेक्ट को देख रहे हैं. क्या कहूँ, अभी मैंने चौथी
You have to see it. You have to. I'm even enjoying the BTS's of it. You know. The anger and you know, she's depicting every emotion. She and Nameer also. Such depth and such professionalism. Like, seriously. इनको इन लोगों का जितना थैंक यू बोलो उतना कम है. Like, such a breath of fresh air. Because I admire Pakistani TV. And, you know, अब तो PTV के बहुत सारे projects मैं देख चुकी हूँ. So, this is the standard. So thank you. And it's needed in everywhere, even Middle East, and it's a cause. मैं spoilers नहीं देना चाहती. साथ
काशिफ भाई ने मुझे कॉल की थी सबसे पहले. उन्होंने कहा बेटा पुत्र मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट बना रहा हूँ और वो मेरा फेवरेट प्रोजेक्ट है. मैं एक्साइटेड हो गई. मैंने कहा मुझे स्क्रिप्ट भेजें आप, और मैं कर रही हूँ. तो द मोमेंट मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ना शुरू की थी, आई इंस्टेंटली गॉट गूज़बम्प्स. और वो इतना पेनफुल था. मोस्टली सीन्स ऐसे थे कि मैं पढ़ते हुए रो रही होती थी.
कसम से, I even invite you to watch this event and every interview. You know, the OST feels like the human being. Like, kabhi notching through our pain, you know? Notching our pain out. पता नहीं कैसे, you get it. Like, आप इतने दुख में हो कि बस आप हंसते हैं, आप कुछ नहीं है खोने के लिए. It's human emotion. मतलब हंसते हैं पेन में और खुश होते हैं also, you also feel pain. Perfect depiction of human emotions. Especially उस human who went through something crucial like this. Notching through my pain. I like this. Performances. Believe me, एक ऐसा scene नहीं होगी. There is no performance or character जिसके साथ आप bored या फिर disconnected feel करेंगे. At least for me. What stands out, of course, Pakiza and Faraz, Nameer and Seher. And kudos for choosing a fresh, you know, actor जो कि अभी तक शुरुआत में in his career. You know, it could have been Bilal or any other actor, but they went for Nameer. Like, it's talking to your mind, and I love when something is talking to my mind. In a shairana way, in a metaphorical way, in a philosophical way. मतलब मेरा दिमाग काम कर रहा है. I'm not only watching and using my eyes, and there's eye candies. Hinabayat. Okay, there's a whole mystery around this character, but कैसे उन्होंने वो निभा रही हैं, it's beyond words. She's tough, she's clever, she went through a lot. Watch it, just watch it. You know, she's related to Amna Ilyas's character. Maternal force she has.
Because she's no one's mom, but yet she's everyone's mom.
I died when all her dreams, you know, about her shadi just shattered in no time. And she is pushed to just like do nikah and just like ऐसे भागना घर से with such zillat also.
तो मैंने देखना है नो जबरदस्ती
फ्रॉम उडारी टू जर्द पत्तों का बंद, इन ड्रामों ने हमारे यहाँ सोशल इश्यूज पे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए एक बहुत अहम किरदार अदा किया है। और आज we are here at the launch of Ek Aur Pakiza, another drama by Kash Foundation, which will be talking about cyber harassment, gender-based violence, and the right for justice.
Saqib Sameer. Okay.
This is the main plot of the story, the viral video, where जहाँ पे हमारी
देखो पाकीज़ा कैसे हो गई है वकील।
एक ज़बरदस्ती वीडियो बनाई जाती है, तो एज अ परफॉर्मर टू फील दोज इमोशंस इट ब्रोक मी and I literally felt those emotions a day or two after performing that scene as well, and I hope and I really wish कि जो हमारी audience है वो भी वो
नम्रा okay.
इमोशंस फील करे, ताकि उनको पता हो कि ये जो एक हेडलाइन आ रही है कि someone has been harassed और someone has been assaulted, वो सिर्फ एक हेडलाइन नहीं है, बल्कि उस हेडलाइन के पीछे it's a human life who is suffering।
काफ़ी नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर कर रहा हूँ, तो बहुत डिफरेंट है मेरे लिए। ओवरऑल स्क्रिप्ट तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त है। मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक बंदे का कैरेक्टर है।
यस, सेंसिटिव है, उसकी छोटी स्क्रीन की एक अपनी लिमिटेशंस भी हैं। आई ऑलवेज फील कि ड्रामे के थ्रू आप बात ज़रूर करें, एंटरटेन भी करें, लेकिन बात ज़रूर। पाकीज़ा से ज़्यादा जो लोग इस लूप का हिस्सा बनते हैं, जिनके पास एक वायरल वीडियो आती है, उसको फॉरवर्ड ना करें प्लीज ब्रेक द लूप।
इस तरह के ड्रामे
खुदा की कसम कोई ज़रूरत है ही नहीं, देयर इज नो ज़रूरत एट ऑल।
जो है ना वो बहुत कम लिखे जाते हैं, बहुत कम डायरेक्ट होते हैं, तो वो खुशी होती है ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट का पार्ट होने में। तो ये उसी तरह का है। और काशिफ निसार मतलब मैं तो उनको कहता हूँ मैजिशियन है, डायरेक्टर नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कौन सा किरदार किस तरीके से दिखाना है।
The storyline was very, very interesting. Another was my character as a barrister that I'm playing. So it's like a very feel-good character, but at the same time, it's a very burdening character. It's like you feel very burdened because you feel responsible for other people's justice.
The audience should expect something which will give them information, awareness, and also food for thought. I think a lot of our preconceived traditional way of thinking has been questioned here.
ये definitely cyber crime या harassment के हवाले से है, और मेरा ख्याल है कि वो कहानी भी लोग सुनेंगे, देखेंगे भी, कैरेक्टराइजेशन भी होगी, रिलेटेबल भी होगा, डूज एंड डोंट्स का भी पता लगेगा। और आई थिंक केस 9 हैज़ बीन अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल।
नो स्पॉयलर्स, ये सब नहीं आ गया अभी तक।
एंटरटेनमेंट ज़रूरी होती है हमारी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी के लिए, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें अहम होती है, तो ये अहम चीज़ है जिसको देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि इससे उनको, उनके बच्चों को बहुत सी ऐसी बातें सीखने को मिलेंगी जो अब तक नहीं पता थी।
ब्यूटीफुल एज ऑलवेज, लेकिन पोस्टर्स में बहुत मुख्तलिफ लग रही हैं।
पोस्टर्स में मम्मी है, हिना नहीं है।
हाँ, this is very different. This is very different. And tell me what made you believe in the story?
To be honest with you, I believe in the project.
If you want to see, if you're tired of had se zyada over the top, useless dramas, please, this is a masterpiece that's being shown on air, and you can see it. So yeah, I feel I'm not forcing you, I feel like this is a brilliant work and it deserves to be seen. Bas, like this is our wajib as lovers of Pakistani dramas and work and art in general, because trendy over the top things should not be omnipresent, should not be the priority, should not be everything. Yes, they can exist, but you know, art that carries a message is a much needed thing. And उन्होंने बहुत खूबसूरती से summarize किया। You know, you feel like these people who do acting workshops, who are so dedicated, who are not just like, doing it for fun or for fees or for salaries, I don't know, जो भी है, or for stardom. This is why I love Pakistani dramas. Like, it's the whole cast is so everyone, you have seen like how they talk about the project. It's not surface level. They are so aware of the message, of the impact, of the case. Such masla we have in society now, especially in the era of AI. If you want to see a good drama that is on air, that is not for the sake of entertainment merely, that is not just Avi, this is the one. And I'm sure Kafil bhi hai, bahut sare aur projects bhi hain, lekin this is the one I'm watching, so I can talk about it. If you are seeing another drama and it makes you feel the same way, the same excitement as I have now, uncontrollable and unpredictable and unapologetic, so please batana mujhe and I will have a look. You know, this is people who you can learn from as an actor. और लोग मेरे को बताते रहेंगे. You don't know Hollywood, you don't know this, you don't know Anna Grivanza, you don't know Julie Udi. Okay, I respect the legends. I know these are famous on an international level, but please yaar, please do not make them gods और उनके अलावा कोई नहीं है. No, like Pakistani dramas are they allow so much talent, so much to learn from. If you want to talk international, for me, like these people are international, of an international scale, not American, international. Matlab everyone on earth can learn from them. Matlab unconditional talent, pure dedication, bas. This is international for me. I'm not forced to watch the Western stuff to be able to talk about talent. वैसे तो ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं है because I'm not into that arena. I'm not into that type of works, simply. But I've seen some. But yeah, I think we should respect everyone's choices. If you love Eastern things, it doesn't mean you're retarded or, you know, uncivilized. अगर ऐसा है तो, yeah, I'm in love with my uncivilized way. Okay. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे I found myself addressing some kind of people. और तुम Hollywood नहीं देखती, और तुम French cinema नहीं देखती. Anyways, pure art. I feel like it's a give and take now. You guys told me to see Zert Patto Ka Ban and my mind was blown. And Tanman Nilo Neel, I was shattered. अभी तक recover नहीं किया मैंने कि एक और पाकीज़ा आ गई मेरे सामने. So, yes, so worth it, so worth it. And I believe case number 9 is also worth it, you know. And this is so Pakistani, so rooted. Like, I don't want to see a very modern side, you know, just like a Moama. Moama is not getting me. It's not winning me as a viewer because of, it's too much of, it's not really the Pakistani way. The Pakistani things I used to admire. I admire. And then Gaur Pakiza makes me feel, come on Hana, kab dekhogi tum, dar se jati hai sila. Rakib se, these type of dramas. I'm so happy to be known by Salih Khan sir because, you know, such a brilliant composer taking such stunning projects. So, even agar मैं कभी काम नहीं करूँगी उनके साथ तो it's a privilege, it's an honor to be known by him. May this type of work keep coming our way. Yo, peace. Okay, battery lower. Tough one. Koi na 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 na. दूसरा गाना. OMG, वहाँ पे मैं मेल्ट हो जाती हूँ. and there is amma saath laad da छत के तकी तो मुझे नहीं आता तनी नी ना नी तो तना नी ना 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 नी ना ना वे मैं कल्ली हो जाना you know even those are so impactful you know पहली दफा तो मुझे लगे what weird and a bit funny but फिर it's needed you know I don't know something rooted in it I just love it. The funny side of the OST should not trick us. It's a really devastating, heart-wrenching drama or next level, and I cannot wait for Pakiza to win the case. Yes, you have to get ke beach padhai mein or beach with all the things I'm going through, and you know, watching a drama has become so hard. So it's either a classic Egyptian musalsal or a Pakistani drama that is worth it. Until and unless I'm very tired and I just wanna close my mind, which I should not do because I will be more stupid eventually. And I've seen this. You know, Dayan ke waqt mein, I used to stay in front of my laptop without adding any word in my thesis, and even though I know the things and I cannot write, I cannot do reduction, summary का जो skill है वो मेरे में नहीं रहा उस वक्त. You know, we're all struggling with this because हम कम पढ़ते हैं और ज़्यादा देखते हैं. So we try to watch the valuable, worthy things at least. That's it. Please maaf karna. I know it's long. Okay. You have to reach. And is it Saath? Saath or another thing? Summarize sab kuch. What's not? Summarize sab kuch. Yes. Darati tarali lali ha. Darati tarana na na na. सोचता हूँ कि वो कितने मासूम थे. तननी ननारा ललली ललारा. किन्ना सोना तनु रब ने बनाया. किन्ना सोना तनु रब ने बनाया. तरती जी कर वकदारवा. किन्ना सोना तनु तेरा नीला लीरा रीरा. क्या से क्या होगा देखते देखते. तेरी रली तो. There is a link. 1 hour.
Be smart. There is a lot of law that is for you. Don't be afraid. If someone is blackmailing you, if someone is playing with your life, be fearless. You've already lost everything. यही वाली बात है ना कि एक और पाकीज़ा क्रिएट ना हो सके.